What do you know about Einstein?
Well, as you know, I'm a big fan of Einstein. He was a real genius, but I don't really understand his theories that well.
Do you understand his theory of relativity?
Not really. As I know, it's about how time slows down when you travel at high speeds. And apparently, at light speed, time stands still. Hello again. Today, I want to focus on two expressions used in this dialogue. As you know, and as I know. As you know is a very useful expression to build on what the listener knows already. As you know, we use many for countable and much for uncountable. What you might not know is, well, that's a topic for another video. But you see how as you know is used to share some commonly known thing before moving on to something less commonly known. Variations of this include as we all know and as everyone knows. The second example in the dialogue is quite different. In this case, I'm sharing what I know about something, but I'm not sure if I'm right or not. So as I know doesn't fit this situation. I'm not building on my own knowledge, and this is where it's not normal English. Many of my students say as I know in this situation, but what you need to say is as far as I know. Otherwise it doesn't make sense.
Where is your sister?
As far as I know, she's at home.
What's the capital of Australia?
As far as I know, it's Canberra, but I'm not 100% sure.
Who made the first TV?
As far as I know, it was John Logie Baird, but I may be wrong. Other ways to say as far as I know include as far as I can remember and to the best of my knowledge. Okay, that's all for today. Use as you know to build on what your listener already knows, and use as far as I know when you're not 100% sure about something. I hope that was helpful. If you find it helpful, then like and subscribe. And now for practice, think about how you might answer these questions. And feel free to leave your answers in the comments. Okay, see you next time. Bye.